I need a Sukuma name.
Kubiru.
Nini? Mzungu.
Kubiru. Ni mtoto wa machifu.
Mimi ni mjukuu wa chief. Okay.
Yes.
Hello everyone. Karibu. Welcome to Mwanza. It's the second largest city in Tanzania, right off of Lake Victoria, which you can see right here. But I want to take y'all somewhere else because, yeah, I think everyone knows about this place. So here in Mwanza, the most well-known tribe is the Sukuma. And most people, the majority of people are Sukuma. So I'm going to take you all to a little village, a Sukuma village. Let's go check that out. Okay, so now we'll walk towards the village. So we're going to go towards the village. Now let's check it out, the Sukuma village.
Yes. Now
Kijiji.
we are heading to the Sukuma village.
Kijiji cha Sukuma.
Kisesa.
Kisesa.
Kisesa, Mwanza, Tanzania.
Ah, okay. Let's go check it out. So Pascal is a drummer. We're gonna go check out his drums and how he makes those. And he also apparently has a snake, python. Yeah, we'll see. Maybe he'll play a snake song for us. Poa, asante. Ulima? Nimesahau. Nimesahau. Amenifundisha Kisukuma kidogo lakini nimesahau. Nini? Ulemwa.
Yeah, ulemwa.
Ulemwa. Okay, nitasoma tena kidogo. Asante.
Okay, let's go and talk with the boys.
Yes.
The boys here. Oh, good music. Music is good.
Yeah. Jamani, odi.
Shikamoo. Mambo.
Jambo, bali za mchana jamani. Hali vipi?
Ilikuwa tamu. Niko sawa, asante.
Karibu pamoja.
Nimeshakula mandazi. Ndio.
Huyu ndio mwenye nyumba hapa. This is the father's house in this area.
Father house.
Yes, this one.
Okay, great.
He's a witch doctor.
Witch doctor?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Welcome to learn something from him.
So if I have problem?
Yes, many people they come here to get a treatment for the sick stomach, maybe hand, legs.
Oh, like
yes,
but
they come many problems.
Oh, and he's the doctor.
Medicine here.
Lakini sasa mimi
Najifunza kidogo.
Nina afya. Baadaye nitarudi. Nitarudi tena.
Sisi hapa kwa Sukuma. Wanawake wanakula sehemu yao.
Wanakula nini?
Chakula. Yes. Lakini wanaume wanakula sehemu yao. Yeah,
kwa nini?
Kwa sababu wanasema wanawake
ni wanazungumza ni topic tofauti. Tofauti. Wana siri nyingi. Wana siri lakini mwanamke wana siri pia. Ilikuwa tamu sana. Imekwisha.
Karibu kiti.
Okay, asante. Okay. Mambo. Poa.
Tutacheza ngoma tatu.
Okay.
Tutaanza na ngoma ya kwanza tunaita Sogota.
Sogota?
Yeah.
Iko Sogota?
Leta ngoma ndogo.
Sogota.
Yes.
Sogota. Sawa.
Hii ni
So watu
karibu. Lakini pia
watu wangapi wanaishi hapa?
Hapa wanaishi nafikiri watu wengine ni wageni wamekuja. Lakini hapo wanaishi watu kama 15 nafikiri.
15. Oh, that's the chief. That's the chief doctor.
He's the chief of this area.
Chief, okay.
This is
Healer.
the one who is here. But this is also his house.
Oh, okay.
This is his territory.
Great. Nzuri sana. Hello. Asante sana. So usually what problems people have, the most common wana matatizo nini?
Ya wateja wako wanaokuja hapa ni watu wenye matatizo gani?
Ni mara nyingi watataji tundaji basic na maradhi ya kawaida, utumbo.
Always I mean people who is treating them, or the men of the customers who comes to him is people who are searching for job opportunities.
Okay.
Searching for work. Because you can find people, they're educated, they have enough education, and they finish university without any job. So that's the major people, the major customers who comes here to him.
So he's like a fortune teller, or
yes.
So maybe I should try later.
Yeah, why not? Yeah, leo naweza pia kumsaidia kupata kazi.
Hamna shida kidogo. Kwa sababu mimi pia sina kazi sasa.
Pia ana kazi kwa sasa.
Natafuta kazi.
Atapata. Ameingia kwenye mji mkubwa.
Sasa yote alihitaji kujua jina lako ni nani.
Jina langu naitwa Muhangwa.
Muhangwa.
Yes.
Inamaanisha nini Muhangwa?
What does it mean? Inamaanisha nini?
Muhangwa maana yake ni mtu aliyetabiliwa.
Muhangwa, it is a person who has been born with a lucky.
Like bahati, una bahati.
Yes.
Ni kwa Kisukuma. It's the name from Sukuma.
Yes. It's a Sukuma name. It's a Sukuma name.
Sukuma name.
Yes.
I need a Sukuma name.
Oh, na wewe jina
jina
la Kisukuma.
Jina la Kisukuma.
Utampa lipi?
Tumuita ni Kubiro.
Kubiro?
Yes.
Inamaanisha nini? Mzungu?
Kubiro. Ni mtoto wa chief.
Mtoto wa chief.
Yes.
Father, baba wangu ni chief.
So from today, my name is Kubiro.
Chief, baby chief.
Yes.
Omojuku, mimi ni Omojuku.
Yeah, Omojuku wa chief.
Mimi ni Omojuku wa chief. Okay. Nimefurahi sana. Asante.
Don't forget Kubiro.
I'm Kubiro. Ninaitwa Kubiro. Hapa una is the same Makuki? Is Makuki? Hello. Jina langu ni Makubo. Kubiro. Hello, I'm Kubiro.
Yeah, sasa alikuwa anauliza.
They like that one. Ni Makuki.
Inaashiria nini?
Ya kuwinda?
Hii inaashiria kwamba babu zetu walikuwa ni wawindaji wakati wa maisha yao, wakati wa uhai wao, kama ni mila na desturi
ya uwindaji
pamoja na ulinzi. You also Simba for security.
For security. Yeah. Okay, very good. So this one too. The
gun.
Yeah, here's the Makuki. Yeah, good.
Inamaanisha kwamba ni makazi ambayo kunaisha wazee wetu.
Yes. So it's the symbol. It shows the
the symbol of the old house.
Symbols. Okay.
Old generation, they were living in.
Oh.
But before the young men from the Sukuma tribe, before go to marry, you go to find the woman to marry. They come to a place like this one. There are many women for carols. They are placing this like this one.
Okay.
Make the border like this. Merit or cassava or maize, they make like this.
Okay.
Yeah. If they are going to find the smooth border, that is she is to be ready to.
That's smooth life.
Yes.
If it's laini. Laini. Maishi bora.
Father, asante sana Father. So now we are going for the drums.
Okay, let's go. Usually, who do they play for, the performance?
Just play for special people, special guests from Sukuma tribes.
Oh, for
from
Sukuma
the government leaders,
Okay.
and also from special guests.
Okay.
As you are not a tourist, you are a local here.
I'm local.
That's why you are in the village, you know.
Yeah, I came to the village.
So exactly, yes. So they are not doing this only for. I mean, they're not doing this for tourists, no.
Yeah.
They are doing it
for them.
for government leaders. They are doing this for Sukuma chiefs. chiefs, and they are doing this only when there's some farming ceremonies. Because in Sukuma tribes, when they do some farming and they had a lot of crops after farming and after harvesting, then they do celebrating.
Celebrate,
So this is like a celebrating drum.
Okay, great. Let's celebrate. They're coming. Oh yeah, they're coming. Okay, great. I can't clap for them, but the people behind me. Oh, yeah, great. Oh, you all need to clap. Who's watching? Make sure you're clapping loud for them. They're going hard. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, very good. We're only two clapping. We cannot. I don't have any hands. Good. That was good. Wow, they're very tired. Okay, so we have this is the Bogoba performance.
Yes,
Bogo. Okay, also from Sukuma tribe. Okay, Bogobo. Bogobo. I should have practiced more Sukuma.
Yes, I think you have to practice.
Wanaosha? Oh, to make softer.
Yes,
I think they found a good base there. That was pretty loud. My body was shaking here. Water break for them. They need some water. They asked if they're tired. Not yet. Oh my God! Very good. Very good. Okay, kwaheri. Bye-bye. Asante sana. Okay, whoa. My head is still vibrating from the drums.
It's a village praise.
Vibrating is so strong.
By the way, you like it, brother?
Huh?
You had a nice day?
Great day. Good, good. Number one drummer in Tanzania,
Okay.
Pascal.
Yes. Karibu sana Tanzania.
Asante, asante.